Hi guys, it's Jamie from Taylor Walsh and we are delighted to share with you episode 2 of The Real Estate Agents. In today's episode we're going to show you around a few really nice homes that we've got on the market now. One is available for sale at offers in excess of 1.4 million. It's in Aspley Heath, literally a stone's throw from Woburn Sands. And the second home is where we've just arrived to now, which is Rose Cottage in Woburn. A beautiful cottage that's just been extended and it's now available to let. Let's go and take a look. Okay, so today we're at Woburn Road in Aspley Heath. It's a new Jacobean-style property that we're putting on the market. It's built over 4 floors, so you've got 2 bedrooms on the top, 2 on the middle, you've got all the ground floor accommodation, and you've got cellar, obviously, at the bottom. You've then got just under an acre plot. The plot is sensational, as Elliot will probably span around and show you, but it goes right over to, as far as you can see, pretty much over here. You've got gated access here, which easily takes you into the woods. You've got plenty of woodland around us, which is just phenomenal for anybody that likes the outdoor space. You've got a double garage here. You've got a separate detached office there, separate courtyard garden here. It's honestly incredible. We should have a look around. There you go, look. You see the cellar here. So again, it's gated access. So pedestrians, you've got your steps that you come down here. You've got your gated access for vehicles to come through here, and you've got parking for, and we just had 7 cars on the driveway quite comfortably. So lots and lots of space. Where it's been landscaped already, you've got lots of seating areas and what have you. So as you can see over here, they've put a seating area in, which is used quite heavily in the summer. And when the children were growing up, they used to build a camp up here on the top left-hand side. So again, there's plenty of scope to be able to do what you see fit here. So you could quite happily have a big deck up there or something, or create extra outside space or outdoor kitchens or anything you wanted to put out here. The chimneys were redone recently, as you can see, hence they look brand new, but they're a huge feature on this property. They look incredible, they really, really do. So obviously you've got the bank at the rear of the house, which again for them, their children absolutely loved it, playing on the bank when they were growing up. Loads of fun and games to be had there, and behind that is just fields, and then you have the woods. So it is very secluded, yet, like we said, it's literally a 1-minute walk to Woburn Sands High Street. So considering you're in the middle of technically nowhere, you've got everything around you still. So you've got every single benefit that you would want to have from a family home. Let's take a look inside. Welcome to Rose Cottage in Woburn. This beautiful home that we did have on the market a few years ago for sale, although the owners realised they loved the location, the house, and the feeling it gave them, they decided that they didn't actually want to move. However, they've now emigrated to Australia, and the time has come for us to rent the property out. Before they decided they were going, and they got the good news they could go, they actually decided to do a big extension on the home, which they'd already committed to, and we're about to go and take a look inside now to see what's changed from now to when we had it on the market before. Let's go and see what you think. So it's been completely renovated throughout, and this whole extension is new to the property and just been finished. The owners of the home decided to do it and stay here because they loved the home so much. However, once they had the plan approved and the building work started, they then got the ultimate offer to move to Australia. Hence, they continued with the work and got it ready for a new tenant to move into, which is happening in a few days' time. This area here used to be dining space, and the kitchen was through here. So as you can see now, that creates a new dining room, study, family room. You've also got two further receptions out here. You've got a snug and maybe a study or a separate children's family room again or something. But the possibilities are now endless in this home, especially with the area they've got out here with the two really nice roof lanterns, bifold doors going out to the garden. All of the brickwork you can see that's exposed is about to get rendered, but we need to wait for the weather to pick up. So we'll be allowing access for that hopefully in a month's time or so. And then the home will be completely finished throughout. But let's take a wander and see what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, please do like, comment, share all the bits and pieces you meant to do on YouTube. If you'd like to see anything more, or you'd like to see any more of the team get involved, please do let us know. Anyone in particular, we can put some pressure on them to get behind the lens of the camera. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one. Ciao.
I think you've had to remind you to do like, share and subscribe then.
No, yeah, that's what we want people to do. Like, share and subscribe. Subscribe? Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Right.
Subscribe.